If you are looking for a small size hatchback which is in terms of safety at the top, in terms of technology it is updated, and in which you can go around the city anytime you want, in size it is small and all, so I got a perfect car over here for you, the Tata Tiago, the facelift 2020 variant. Hello everyone, this is Dhruv here from Plus Drive. Hope you guys are doing great and absolutely fine. A very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to talk about everything on this car. What are the changes? The main thing is changes in BS4, the previous variant, and this. But before that, I would like to thank Puneet Automobiles Private Limited in Prabhadevi. I'll provide the numbers on your screen. If you want to inquiry anything about the Tata Tiago 2020 facelift variant, or the Tigor, or the Nexon, Harrier, anything, you can directly contact them regarding the pricing or anything regarding the test drive. Now getting back to the car over here guys, the Tata Tiago is priced between 4.6 lakh to 6.6 lakh ex showroom Delhi. It is offered in 7 variants which you'll find on your screen. Talking about the front profile, it is changed. You get a nice grille, same inspired from Tata Altroz. On the top you get the black piano finish. On the lower side you'll find the chrome insert over here which goes from right tail lamp to all the way to the left tail lamp. So this is the major update. The front fascia of the car is totally changed. And talking about the headlamp, you get the conventional headlamp, you get the turn indicators on the outer side, so the headlamps are really sharpy. The second change is the grille. You get the tri-arrow pattern on the grille which looks really great. I mean really advanced in terms of design. Lower grille is in black insert with the yellow, nice perfect combination. You'll see the black piano finish treatment around the fog lamp assembly. The fog lamps are conventional, you get chrome insert around them. So the major change is the grille, the headlamp, the second one. Then the lower bumper, full lower bumper is revised over here, again a redesigned bumper. You get the body skirtings for better aerodynamics, and the car looks really sharpy. It looks edgy from the front, aggressive definitely. Talking about the tire size and specification, you get 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheel, the 5-spoke alloy wheel. In the front you're getting a disc brake, and in the rear you get a drum brake. Talking about the ORVMs, they are electronically adjustable and retractable. On the upper half you get the gloss black, on the lower part you get a matte black with the turn indicators. They look really good. Body color, handlebars, the B pillar is blacked out, even the C pillar is blacked out. You get a matte finish which looks good and feels good. It feels good. And even the road door handles are in body color. Again a 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels on the rear side as well. So that is but obvious guys. And talking about the tail lamp, you don't get any LED inserts, such as these are conventional tail lamp which gives the excellent visibility in the night time. I mean from the far also you can see the car, I mean the tail lamp. Then the Tiago badging in chrome insert in between. This is again a change. Reverse parking camera on the lower side. Talking about the defoggers, they are in unique shape and curved design. High stop mount lamp, then even the integrated spoiler you get in black piano finish. This is there in the previous variant as well, the 2018 or 19 variant. Then on the lower bumper you get a combination of yellow and black, which is a very nice combination. You get a body skirting in the rear as well. You get parking sensors which are standard across all the variants, whether you take a base variant or the top end variant. These are standard across all the variants. So in terms of safety also guys, 2020 facelift Tata Tiago has scored 4-star rating in global NCAP crash test. This is the fuel cap over here on the left side of the car. So overall the car is very well packaged from the front as well as from the rear, even the side. So overall the design is really good, better than the previous generation. You'll find the dimensions on your screen, and the ground clearance is good on this car, and the suspension system on your screen you'll find it. So due to that ground clearance and the suspension, it provides a superb ride quality guys. And talking about some features on the car, so the standard safety feature on offer includes dual front airbags, rear parking sensors, ABS with EBD, corner stability control, then alloy wheel size 15-inch, rear defoggers with Viper, 7-inch infotainment touchscreen system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto by Harman, automatic climate control, all 4 power windows, cool glove box, auto foldable, electrically adjustable ORVMs. Talking about the interiors, the plastic quality is really updated. Now changes in interiors, the quality of the plastic is really updated. You'll find the window controls over here and the black piano finish plating on the grab handlebar. Then also you will find the 1 liter bottle storage on the lower side. The speaker system handlebar is in chrome insert. ORPM controls on the A pillar, they're electronically adjustable and retractable. So I mean, the amount of quality, amount of safety the car is providing you under 7 lakh, this is great. Huge shout out to Tata Motors. Tri-arrow pattern on the seats, this is again a change. The soft cushion seats you're getting over here, very soft cushion. You also get a height adjustable function in this seat. I mean, under 7 lakh, this is, I mean, a very good thing. Talking about the interior, I'll just head inside and show you. The seats are extremely comfortable, the first thing. Then talking about the changes in the interior, the major change, instrument cluster. It is a digital analog, digital speedometer on the right, digital tachometer on the left. You get a MID display in between for vehicle settings and distance to empty. It will show you light controls on the right and wiper controls on the left. The major change number 2 is steering wheel, which is inspired from Tata Altroz soft plastic steering wheel, and also it is flat bottom to give you a sporty feel. Then you also get a black piano finish on the lower side of the steering wheel. It is flat bottom. I mean, I'm in love with it. The steering wheel, what they have provided us in this segment, I mean in this price segment, I must say. And steering wheel is adjustable only for rake, not for reach. It is not a telescopic steering wheel. So a good part over here, you get some storage on the lower side, and I really like this thing. Whatever color you take, you'll find that color in the interior as well around the AC vents, the metal finish. So that is a nice thing. Around the AC vents, you get chrome insert in the middle center console. On the dashboard, hazard button in the between. Talking about the infotainment system, it is updated. Around that, you get a black piano finish. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, aux, USB, Bluetooth, every function available over here. It is powered by Harman Kardon. The speaker system, on the lower side you'll find the automatic climate control, which really cools the cabin really fast. The quality of the buttons is really updated. You won't feel absolutely cheap plastic or anything like that. On the lower side you get a USB port and a 12V charging socket. Then below that you'll find some storage where you can keep your mobile phone or wallet or anything. Coming back over here, 5-speed manual transmission. Under that you get a leather wrapped upholstery under the gear knob. So this is again a premium feature. It gives a very nice premium touch to the car. And 2 cup holders with 1 can holder in the center console, some storage to keep your something keys or anything like that. Then the handbrake tip is in chrome insert. And also guys, the seats are really soft cushioned. I mean, I'm in love with it, the comfort they provide you. Talking about the glove box compartment, you get a tablet holder on the top, cool glove box you're getting over here, lot of storage. Tata is meant for space they provide us in the vehicle, and now safety also. The quality plastic is really good. You get a manually adjustable rear view mirror, and you get a toll receipt holder over here under the driver side. On the passenger side you will find vanity mirror, and you get a LED cabin light. So that is a nice thing. Then talking about the steering wheel, under that you have your pedals. You get nice quality pedals and a proper dead pedal on your left side. So good thing again over here. So the overall interior is really updated. Lot of major changes like steering wheel, digital instrument cluster. Then the quality, plastic quality is really improved. Around the AC vents you'll find the metal part. Whatever color you take it, you'll find that. So that was all about the front cabin. Now let us just look at the rear cabin, how the comfort is provided and the quality. So chrome handle bar, again tweeters at the back. Then you'll find the window controls, and the plastic is at the back is really updated if you compare to the previous variant. Same as the front what you get in this car. 1 liter bottle storage on the door pocket, speaker system on the lower side, child safety locks on both the doors at the rear. So again, tri-arrow pattern in the rear seat as well. It gets integrated headrest, not adjustable. I really like the the reclining angle on the seats. Good for the long trip as well. You'll feel comfortable. So I'll just sit inside and show you everything in the rear cabin. So yes guys, the first thing, the seats are extremely comfortable in this price segment. Knee room is you can see massive. The seat is maximum at the back and the front. The headroom is massive again. Retractable handlebar, but no coat hook on the B pillar as well as on the retractable handlebar on both the side. Parcel tray at the back, and also no headrest for middle passenger or the armrest over here. You get a 1 liter bottle storage, and the hump is on the lower side, so middle person can easily sit for the long trip as well. He doesn't have to distribute his leg on both the side. On the passenger side, this is the dashboard look. It looks good. The steering wheel flat bottom is really a good USP on this vehicle. I mean, this is a perfect vehicle to have it in your family if you're looking for a car under 7 lakh. So this is a perfect car, guys. So now this was all about the rear cabin, I mean the interiors of the vehicle and even the exteriors of the vehicle. Now let us just talk about the boot space on this car, how much the boot space is provided on this car. And regarding the boot space, it is not updated, I mean it is just same as the previous variant. 242 liters of boot space you get over here. The really insulation is really updated, you get leather upholstery at the back as well. And the parcel tray you can see over here, the seats are not partially divided into 60-40 at the rear to get in better to get a accessibility inside the boot from inside the car. So you'll see the space on the right side and on the left side as well. So 242 liters of boot space, it is same as the previous what you can say 2019 variant. A good amount of boot space you can get over here. And also guys, regarding the spare wheel on this vehicle, you get a stainless steel wheel, that is due to cost cutting purpose, but you get a stainless steel wheel, that is not a alloy. It is the same 15-inch wheel you're getting, but a stainless steel wheel. So this was all about the boot space on this car. 242 liters of boot space. On the top you get a grab handle to close the boot lid. And also guys, the rivals of the Tata Tiago are Hyundai Santro, Maruti Suzuki Celerio and Wagoner. So now you know which is the best car to have in family under 7 lakh rupees. This is the perfect car guys, and in terms of safety it is at the top. Now talking about the engine part, it now comes only with the BS6 compliant 1.2 liter petrol engine that puts out 86 PS of the power and 113 Nm of torque. Transmission option remains the same, a 5-speed manual or the AMT gearbox you get in this. Insulation is done under the hood to decrease the engine noise into the cabin, that is a ABS assembly. On the right side you get a battery assembly, then also on the left side you get a washing fluid. So the engine has a lot of space. In future you might see a powerful engine on this. So this was all about the engine part of the vehicle. And also regarding the mileage, you'll see on your screen guys, regarding the mileage what this car provides you. So guys, that was all about the Tata Tiago 2020 facelift variant, interior, exterior, pricing, engine, then also some features and what are the changes in the vehicle. So how did you like the car? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any queries you can ask me or ask me on Instagram, the handle is mentioned on your screen. And if you have any query regarding the test drive, if you want the test drive regarding any pricing or anything, I'll provide the number on your screen, you can directly contact them. But between 10 AM to 8 PM you can contact them regarding the vehicle or Harrier or anything. And also guys, share the video who can find it informative. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this in the future. So bye guys, take care, see you next time for another video. Wear seatbelts, wear helmets, ride safe and drive safe. Bye guys, take care.